All right, it's time for 19.4. I've got my warm up in, just trying to get my head right for this. The workout is a 12-minute time cap of 3 rounds of 10 power snatches at 95 and 12 burpees over bar. And then you rest 3 minutes, and then it's 3 rounds of 10 bar muscle ups, which I did this yesterday. So 3 rounds of 10 bar muscle ups and 12 burpees over bar. 12-minute time cap. My goal is to at least get through the bar muscle ups. It's been 9 months other than yesterday, and I think Friday I was playing around with some ghetto version of the squat rack stacked up. Not a very safe test. So let's set up and go ahead and get this done, and we'll go from there.